this is pretty close to 2 8, so we're not gonna cut on that one again.
I'm gonna turn it off so he can hear you.
Okay, yeah, turn it off. There's my thing right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this one right here this time. See how it wants to roll back sometimes?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, bring these things all the way upright. And this time I'm not going to use the other thing. I'll just use this cane hook here. So I bet you can get on here. You just have to set it like that, okay? Now we really don't need these anymore. Because we got a 90-degree angle here now, okay?
Now you're gonna kick ass.
Yeah. So we're not going to use any of these dogs anymore at this point.
It's sitting flat.
If you was to really shove a log through there, well, we'll just go ahead and put one on. But typically you won't need them at this stage, but I'll go ahead and stick one on just to...
They're heavy enough they won't move on their own.
Yeah, they won't move the room, but that'll be a double strength there.
But as it gets lighter, you'll probably have to hold them, right?
Wider?
Lighter.
Lighter. Well, as we go down, I don't use anything. As we get
Okay.
closer to the bottom. Okay.